The problem with this one is that we have only the signal for the power, so there is no signal for the Wi-Fi. You can see there is no signal for the Wi-Fi. I try to turn it off and turn on again, but you can see there is no Wi-Fi signal. That's the reason why I cannot connect with the apps from the phones. Now we'll show you the phone. So the phone is my phone, and I have installed the app already. Okay, and you can see over here from my phone there are two ways to connect the devices. First, I add devices, and it's scan. You can see the scanning, and then no devices available. Okay, even when I try to add device manually, it doesn't show any devices. So it totally has a problem. If you think my internet is slow, it's totally wrong. I will show you how much speed of my internet. So speed, speed. Okay, so you speed test of my internet, because you said to me before my internet connection is very slow. Sometimes it couldn't find, but you can see it's not slow. It's around 17 megabytes per second for downloads, and around 20 megabytes, okay, 23 megabytes to upload. So it's very fast internet connection. The problem is just with your device, I cannot connect.